Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today we're starting off with some breakfast of 2 eggs for 0 points. And I'm going to do one of these chicken sausages for 3 points. I get them at Trader Joe's. One of these little cups avocado mash. This is 2 points. Some fresh baby spinach for 0 and a Joseph's pita for 1. All I'm doing is spreading on the avocado mash as a base layer to my pita bread, so all of the ingredients can be rolled up into like a burrito or a taco, or a breakfast taco, let's call it that. Anyway, this is like painting. It's a little therapeutic, and these cups are great so that you don't waste an avocado. Mine, typically when I buy fresh, they turn brown and then they get thrown away. So to avoid that, this is why I buy the cups. Anywho, all right, so we're going to take the sausage. We're going to slice it lengthwise because this pita is long and round, not square. All right, we're going to add the eggs on top, the wilted spinach on top, and this is breakfast today, you guys. I will have the points up right here at the end of this clip, but I don't want any of you to forget about your water. It's very important. I've been lagging the last few days, so I filled up a 40-ounce cup. And here it is, breakfast. Moving on to lunch. Today I decided to make a salad. So I have it on my food scale because I did want to weigh out 1 ounce of the fat-free feta, which is 0 points, on top of iceberg lettuce. And I'm using a tablespoon of this Greek yogurt to mix in with a can of tuna fish so that I don't use any mayo points. So tuna on top of a salad with some fat-free feta, and I decided to add some dill relish just to give it a little kick. Just about a tablespoon, maybe not even, but if you've never had pickle relish in your tuna fish, I highly suggest it. It's absolutely delicious. And of course, we need to add some salad dressing. This one's my favorite. You all know I use this all the time. And so I did 2 tablespoons for 2 points right on top. And here's my beautiful salad. Again, I'm going to add some soup to the side of this because I made that big pot of soup the other day and I have so much left. There's no chicken or rice in it. It's just the broth and the veggies. So here's the points values. As you can see, it's very low, but that's great because I did have a very high point breakfast of 10 points. So this is the way to keep me on track. Have a nice volume-filled low point lunch. What you got, Britt? The official Senior Nest sweatshirts?
Yes.
Woohoo!
I want to look for mine.
Ooh, how do they look?
Look really good.
I can't wait to see.
Mine, 2X.
Let's see it. Oh, hold it up.
I don't want. I'm gonna come by your window.
Oh, it looks so good. What's the sleeve got? Oh, and what's the back got? Help starts here, baby. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. Put it on, my love.
Oh.
Soft, right? I got the soft ones. Look at you! So pretty! Oh, wow, you're like a model. Work it, Britt. Go back, walk over. Let's see from far away. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Beautiful. What is up, you guys? Sorry about the way I look today. I just stayed home and worked from my house. Doctor's orders yesterday was to stay home. Feeling pretty good. Earlier today had some cramping, a little bit of back pain, but as the day went on, I'm starting to feel a lot better. And had to go pick up those Senior Nest sweatshirts. Guys, they came out so nice. Oh my God, I am in love with them. They came out so good. So getting some fresh air. I just sent Brittany inside BJ's because we needed some stuff. So I'm just waiting for her to come out, and then I'll be going back home and just relaxing for the rest of the day. Okay, I'll see you when we get home. Bye. All right, guys, I'm home. Premier Protein Shake for a snack. And I believe after I have this, I still have like 8 or 9 points for dinner. Doing really well. Absolutely no cheating. This plan is amazing. Thank you, Weight Watchers. Dinner time. So we have leftover ground beef from the other night. This is the 96% lean from Trader Joe's. 1 box of the Hearts of Palm and just 1 wedge of Laughing Cow. This will leave me with 3 points for some kind of dessert, which I will be having later. Not really sure what. Maybe just one of those protein shakes that I make because they're usually 3 points. But anyway, I'm looking forward to eating this. I'm going to show you the points for everything here. The Hearts of Palm, the entire box is 0 because it is a vegetable. And the Laughing Cow is 1 and the ground beef is 4 points.